atmosphere at the Osogbo City Stadium on Saturday was full of optimism, enthusiasm and excitement as members of the All Progressives Congress gathered to elect new leadership for the party in the state. The APC State Congress was held nationwide, and in Osun State, former caretaker chairman Prince Gboyega Famodu was unanimously elected and returned by 1,840 delegates across the 310 wards of 30 local government areas of the state. Governor of the state and zonal leader of the party in Southwest, Mr. Gboyega Oyetola, led all members of the party to the venue. Other leaders at the venue include Deputy Governor Benedict Alabi, leader of the APC Elders Caucus, Sola Akiwumi, former Deputy Governor Grace Titilayo Lawe-Ponle, former and serving House of Representative members, former and serving House of Assembly members led by the Speaker, Timothy Oweye, State Executive Council, party chairmen across local governments and wards, among others. Chairman of the Congress Committee and his committee members were at the venue as early as 10 a.m. in the morning to commence the exercise with screening of all aspirants. After the screening, all positions turned out to be unopposed and the voting commenced, with the governor casting his vote first. All delegates move out en masse, local government by local government, to cast their votes. After the election, chairman of the committee, Honorable Gboyega Elegbeye, announced the result of the election. He declared Prince Gboyega Famodu as the newly elected chairman of the party in Osun State. Elegbeye also apologized to party members who gathered at the city stadium but were unable to access the main bowl due to the COVID-19 issues. He said only the delegates were allowed into the venue.
I want to apologize because we know that we have a lot of crowd outside. But the rule is that we only allow those accredited delegates to come in because it is not a political rally, it is a congress. So if you are not a delegate, you will not be allowed to come, and that is exactly what we did. So those outside, our party members, our brothers, help us apologize to them. We are not trying to be difficult, but we only allow those of you who are accredited delegates to come inside the stadium to vote. State Chairman Prince Gboyega Famodu, Chair for Washington. State Deputy Chairman Alhaji Tajuddin Lawal. State Secretary Mr. Alao Kamar Olabisi.
Speaking after the Congress, the governor of the state, Gboyega Oyetola, described the Congress as the best in the history of Osun State. While congratulating Famodu, Oyetola charged him and other executive elected to give the party members a vibrant party that will be able to contest with other chapters of the party nationwide.
I'm particularly very happy that we've come to the end of this Congress successfully. It's one of the best Congress ever to be, done in our state. And I think by extension, if you look at what is happening in other parts of the country today, Osun stand out. Well organized, rancor-free, with adequate security. I thank the delegates for discharging your responsibility with fear of God. I congratulate the chairman-elect, Prince Famodu. I congratulate you. Through you, I congratulate all the newly elected members of ESCO. What we are looking at is a very vibrant party from now on for the next 4 years.
In his acceptance speech, Gboyega Famodu thanked all members of the party that supported him throughout the process. He extended his appreciation to the delegates, urging them to be united and be ready for the primaries on February 16, 2022. He also appreciated the governor for being a leader of the party and for everything that he has been doing to support the party and the people of the state.
Thank all members of the party, especially leadership. I can recognize here the chairman of Igbimagba, Engineer Akiwumi. I salute you, sir. I give thanks to you and the other members of Igbimagba. Please extend my sincere appreciation and thanks to our Baba, Bisi Akonde, who superintend over this exercise throughout. May God bless him. I want to thank all members of the previous ESCO for supporting me and seeing me through all these turbulent years. By the grace of God, I pray God will meet you at the point of your need. I also want to congratulate those of us that scaled through to the second term being inaugurated today. By the grace of God and the support of Your Excellency, God will see us through.
From Osogbo City Stadium, venue of the APC State Congress, Jare Tiamiyu, Inside News TV.